Our factory produces excavator and bulldozer undercarriage parts on a 50-acre site with 300-plus workers. We have 7 forging presses, 7 heat treatment furnaces, a 3,000 square meter warehouse, and are certified by SGS, ISO 9001, and ISO 45001. Our advanced automated lines include CNC machines for precision and efficiency. Every process is meticulously controlled, and all products are tested before leaving the factory. Believing that product quality is the lifeblood of our enterprise, our company places much attention on it.